Evaluate limit. Here are interesting questions and we have pi in them. Remember, pi is an irrational number, but it is a constant. It is not a variable, okay? I've seen mistakes done by students in such questions where pi they treat somehow as a variable, okay? Now let's do limit of pi to the power of x when x approaches 0. So well, let's substitute x as 0 and we get this is equal to pi to the power of 0, and pi to the power of 0 or anything to the power of 0 is 1. Therefore the limit is 1. Now for the next one, we have x approaches pi, we need to find the limit for the function when x approaches pi, and the function is x minus pi divided by x squared. So let's substitute pi for x. So we get this as, it is like pi, let me write it again, pi minus pi over x squared, which is pi, right? So it's over pi squared. So we get pi minus pi as 0. So we get 0 over pi squared, which is equals to 0. And therefore, the limit of this function as x approaches pi is 0. Next one. So the limit of this function 1 over pi when x approaches 0. So let's substitute 0 for x. Well, there is no x here. It is a constant. Remember, it is a constant, and therefore its limit will be the constant 1 over pi. Okay? So limit for all these three functions do exist, and it is 1 for pi to the power of x as x approaches 0, 0 for x minus pi over x squared when x approaches pi, and 1 over pi when x approaches 0. Thank you.